Linking your bank account to Netlify can streamline your payment processes for services. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Create a Netlify account. Visit the Netlify website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. You can use your email address or sign up through GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard and selecting Account Settings. Step 3. Go to Payment Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Billing or Payment Settings section. Click on it to access your payment options. Step 4. Add bank account information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, you may need to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Netlify into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you've completed this step, your bank account should be linked to your Netlify account, allowing for seamless transactions. If you encounter any issues, refer to Netlify support resources for assistance.